back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Hermosa hair. This is their packaging, just a drawstring bag, no box. So got the wig, got a wig cap, a pair of lashes, and I got an elastic band. That's everything that came in today's package. I got a gorgeous, oh, this feels so silky and soft. It actually feels really silky and soft. I got a 24-inch Bodywave wig. It's very full to the tips. I like that. And it's 220% in density. So yes, it does have a little bit of weight to it. It's not like super heavy, but it does have a little bit of weight. More weight than, you know, as opposed to like if you got a 150% density or even 180. It's because, as I said, I noticed how full it was. Or it is rather. The curls are really nice, you know, classic body wave texture. Looks good. It's lightly pre-plucked, so bear that in mind. You can definitely go in and pluck this further if you wish, but it's minimally pre-plucked. This is how the lace looks. It's a 13x4 space, and it has a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. It's not bleached or anything, but you can always camouflage that with makeup if you don't have the time to go in and like bleach the knots and then tint it. Easy hack is to always use some foundation or even some face powder and tint the lace quickly. So yeah, that's how it looks. It's free parts. You can definitely part it in the center or the side, anywhere you please. So let's go ahead and jump on into putting. It feels really good, you know. It's like really soft and silky. So Hermosa here, that is a plus. This is how it looks once I slip it on. As you guys know, just to have a comfortable like install, I usually cut away some of the lace in the front because it's usually on my eyes. I cut away some of the excess lace in the front, and the first thing I'll do is cut if it doesn't like align with my ears, like over my ears, then I line it up to it and cut away the excess. And sometimes that will enhance a little bit of shedding on the side, but no need to worry. It should not prolong. It's just in that area, because naturally if you cut the lace, you know, that will happen. A little bit of shedding will happen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install this wig today with my got to be. Of course, dryer on cool air, not hot. I'm gonna kind of speed through that portion. So let's go.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
I'm just gonna lay the front here with my wax stick and my hot comb, and then I proceed to making my swoop. So I do this while the headband is around it. It makes life way easier that way, because I use got to be, the heat won't disrupt the install.
I've been stuck going on my way, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Alright guys, so I decided that I wanted to do a little style today. I didn't want to do just a regular center part or side part. I wanted to do a half up, but like with the two little hairs in the front, I didn't want to just do everything going back. I pretty much just started to, I did a center part for it. I could have just pulled everything back and do the two pieces in the front here, but I wanted the parting in the center, you know, and I took my wax stick and I just used it to help lay everything. I kind of did like two ponytails and then brought them together. You'll see it like literally right here. I used my hot comb and everything to help to lay everything as flat as possible, and I really love the way it came together. It was different. I think it's the first time I'm trying like this specific hairstyle. I've done similar hairstyles, but yeah, I really liked it. Really loved it. Actually loved it. Now initially I wasn't going to curl it back, you know, because I love the waves that it came with, but I decided that since I curled the two pieces in the front, that I would go ahead and just curl everything in the back. And it's so pretty. Shout out to Hermosa hair. It looks really good. I still did my little swoops because it enhanced the whole look. You don't have to if you don't want to. This is what I wanted to do, but it's very nice. It's very full, very luscious hair, and it's very bouncy. I love the movement. Yeah, that's how we're looking. So let me know if you guys like this look. Go ahead and like this video if you like it, if it was informative, if you like the wig. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications in the description box as well, and the direct link. So if you want to get this for yourself, or even if you want to try out this hairstyle, you can go ahead and do so. Yeah, but shout out to Hermosa here again for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel. Okay, Petite-SUE Divinitii. I'll see you guys later.